Have you ever been into an accident and instead of calling for help or to cry, you have started to laugh at yourself? All your friends have started to laugh at yourself. Great. Today, that's what we're gonna react on. What everyone? This is Malik. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, today I'm gonna react on some funny accidents. All right, just let's dive into it. Slowly. Oh my god, that's so hard, bro. Okay.
Okay, right, ting, right.
Is it Usain Bolt? Oh my goodness. That's a hard job, I'm telling you out. I'll not do this job, bro. Lonely? I can't laugh at this. I can't. I just can't laugh at this, yeah. Let's go. We're starting to run. Let's run. This man is even not running, yeah. This man was cheating. I'm telling you, this man was cheating.
Oh shit, man! Oh shit.
That's two big mistakes. That's two big mistakes. Helmet should be like on the hair and not on the what's the name of this thing? Whatever you're wearing. Look at this car driver, man. Subscribe. Hey, that was a very quick one, yeah. I hope you enjoyed it, and it's funny, yeah. It's funny because hey, those people, for some it's funny, but for some others, that's a big error, yeah. For example, the man who forgot to put the helmet, that's crazy. You shouldn't do that, yeah. Thanks to y'all all, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you want me to react on more videos like this one, just subscribe to the channel. Tell me that in the comment section. And if you have some suggestions of videos, tell me that also in the comment section. Or you can join me on Instagram. You can just DM me. I'm gonna do videos on your suggestions. Before the next one, just click here to watch one of my previous videos. All right. Wakilma wakalma.
ఏం చేయలేదుగా ఇప్పుడు ముట్టికాయ చెప్తున్నాగా ముట్టికాయ ఏమైనా చేశాడా